Then use the Alt button again. Okay, good. In position. Next, let's see what's the next layer. This one. You seem to have the same view. So let's check. Each. Okay, good. Next one is this one. So I'm not sure where it's connecting, so I'll just connect here first. And then go here. F. Then Alt button. It's not matching. So that means they are of different layer, guys. I'll try to match this. And okay. So it's wrong. This is good enough. And okay. So that means this is lower. By next. Okay. Lower. Yep, that's good enough. Then H again, guys. Then follow the line. Yes. Alt button. With this one. So each button again, guys. So as you can see, I'm going lower layer per layer. But for the ground parts, you can ignore. Okay? I think this is the ground part already. That's why I can't capture it. So each again. Alt button, match the corner. Okay. All good. So I'm done on the back side. Still have we're done on the front side, I guess. Which one's the front? Oh, this is the front. This is the back side. So let's do the front side. G. G. Yeah. It's not matching, so use the Alt button again. Match the corners. There. Okay, looks good. How about for this one? I think it's on the ground. No need. Next. For this one, use H again. F. There. And for this one, okay, there are 2 layers, 2 more layers. Let's try to capture this. It's not connected. Hot button. Then for the last layer, use H again. Let's try to click lower. Good. I'm not gonna touch it if it's looking good already. Now the last part, let's try to group 4. Okay. Now next, guys, check this out. This S. It's more of a freehand already. Okay, it's not in position, right? It's too far. So you group it there. Then you drag the wall. Just this one, okay? Drag the wall. Use the control button. Okay. It's fine already. Looks good. So confirm, guys. Check each panel. Good. Guys, very important that you group, because if you forget to group this one, you lose all the credit if someone else will group it for you. Clear? All right.
Yeah.
Any questions? Concerns, guys? Drag sidewall. Okay. So press Y. Select all. I'll drag this one. Then Y again. And submit your task. And this is going to be our last task. Is it matching? Let's check this one out. Yep. It's kind of matching. So I'll just drag this a little bit. And drag the wall. Then, oh, sorry. Shift button. That's good. Small errors, that's okay. Shift button. F2. They all look good. F3. Looks fine. F3. Looks fine also. All right. Questions, team. Concerns. Drag sidewall again. Press Y. Then draw the wall. Then Y again. Submit. Follow team. So there are some tasks that you have to edit. There are actually a lot of tasks you don't need to edit. Just need to check and verify the right panel by making sure you fix the left panel first. Okay? Any questions, guys? Concerns? Follow, guys? All good? How about the others? Okay. So right now we're running at approximately 90 seconds per layer. So we need to catch up. We need to shave off that 30 seconds. Okay? Clear? All right. Thank you guys for joining. Good day.